Hello YouTube, it's me here again. Today we don't have an engine running, but we have a full range of a different type of ignition, and I'm just wanting to make this video to show off this product that I just got from Rcexl to test your ignition units to make sure everything is firing and in all the plugs and everything working nicely. This device will allow you to test from your 9-cylinder, 7-cylinder, CH or CH brand ignition as well. This one is a 4-cylinder, 5-cylinder, 3-cylinder, and your normal twin. And you have a uneven fired twin, single, and single 3W twin ignition, and very tiny Rcexl. That's a new product as well, just come out. Rcexl ignition. It's just been replaced by, if I could grab this quickly. So this used to be the previous unit they used to supply to test your ignition to make sure all the plugs are working. But because they just have all these multi-cylinder come out in the last few years, they went ahead and make up this nice unit which will allow you to test all of your ignition now. So it's a universal, so you still can test your single unit, because you notice you have two inputs, a 3-wire input and a 4-wire input. And so I'm just gonna do a couple demonstration how it works, and on the multi-cylinder and on the uneven fired ignition. So I'm just gonna see if I could put the tripod on my little stand to make sure focus. Good. So as you could see, if I could get the camera to focus properly, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights. So 5 green and 1 red. So the first green, that's allow you to test your normal single and twin ignition unit, and the second one is your 3W German manufacturer engines, and the third one it's the V or inline ignition unit. So that will be either for the V type, like what works on the UK laser conversion, the inline, like for the another German manufacturer that makes inline engines, and the fourth one is your multi-cylinder, which is gonna be your 9, 7, even your 4, 5 and 3-cylinder. So I'm just gonna give a little example how it works. So you can plug your sensor lead into the device, then you plug the battery into the input of the ignition, and as you could see, it's on the 4th light and there's 1 light flashing. So that's me. Let's see if I could focus a bit or zoom. There we go. Nice. It's really hard when you're working alone. So as you could see, there's a light flashing, and I could hear all the caps going. So that's meaning the ignition is working nicely. I'm gonna try it on the V type, because that will be engaged on the 3rd light, green light there, and the red and green should be flashing, because on the V type you need a north and south pole magnet in order for the ignition to work normally. So unplug the battery and plug the V type As you can see, it's a V-type unit there. So I'm gonna plug that in, give it a bit of space, and add power to the ignition itself. And as you can see, still showing fault light. You just need to press this button here, which is a select, if I could focus on it, and that will change the lights, and you can see red and green is flashing. That's mean it's a V-type and the ignition is firing on both caps or both plugs. And so that's basically it. That's how you test your different type of ignition. So once again, there's a selection button here. You just press it until it meets to your right ignition that you have plugged in. You know what, I'm going to test one of the single ignition as well. So you could see it will be the first green light and the very last green light to say there's signal going through. Okay, unplugged that, unplug that one, and this unit, I noticed OS is using these size boxes. OS has their ignition made by Rcexl as well, just with the OS brand logo on it. Notice this one have a 45 millimeter long cap to get on inside your RC car head. So I'm gonna test this one. So this one is a normal single cylinder unit, comes a different plug, 3-wire. Gonna plug that one in there. Nice. And power to the unit, power wire, battery, and plugged in. And scale, when you notice, the unit goes on default by the multi-cylinder. You just need to press the select button and change. And it changed to single and twin, and first light, last light flashing, and that's it there. And that's your way how to test your ignition unit, everything working nice and dandy. Okay, I think that's it for now, and stay tuned for more great videos to come. Possible some timing videos, and I forgot to talk about this CH. This is a new design, black anodized boxes from CH AGN in Florida. So that's the new look of the 4-cylinder for the Pegasus engines. That's pretty much it, really. Any questions, drop me an email. I'll take it from there. Alright, cheers, bye.